Savvy Serena. We are back in my office. I just finished filming a video organizing all this over here, which is like my hoarder storage room part of my office. Now I'm in the office part. It's all in the same room. As I explained in my last video, I got a new laptop, so I need to redo what I did before because it's not working. One, it's not working, and two, it won't work with my new laptop. The laptop I got is bigger than this one, so I've got to take it down the old laptop and make room for the new one. Something needs to be done here. I keep just putting stuff right there, and it needs to be eliminated. I'm not going to work in these drawers. They're pretty much the way I want them for now. But I need to get my desk straight. Some of this is working, some of it isn't. I need to go through and figure out what's not. And then right now I've got some extra storage containers that I pull from while I've been organizing in here. But all this right here needs to be better organized. And some of them are going to stay. I'm not going to mess with them. But some of them I just need to, like, that says sunglasses and little notepad. I do not think that's in there anymore. I need to go through, find out what's in there, and get rid of stuff. The envelope turned around, it has his company name on it, and that way you can kind of see through these drawers, and I know that's where his check stubs are. He has way too many, honestly, but his retirement information's in here as well, and I think that's it. But he likes to, he pulls from it like the insurance thing, he pulls from it quite often. So I found that it's convenient having it there. Then I have cords in this one, which I am using that for cords. This says sunglasses and little notepad. I have no idea what's in that drawer. I think it's more than that. And then it says add stuff, eyeglass cleaner. You know, and then it says scissors, markers, flashlights. These are two containers stacked on top of each other. Even though I do like my monitor being elevated up, I do like that. There's just not going to be enough room for my laptop in front of it with anything elevating that thing up, unless I can find something small to go underneath. I don't know, I'll have to play around and see what I've got. It's going to have to be something small, but I do like it elevated. It kind of helps my neck a little bit, but if I have to put it back on the desk, I will. So I'm not going to talk about it no more, and we're just going to do it. So give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to declutter and clean my office. got my desk cleared and got things a little more organized than they were before. So now I have room for my laptop. This is just a storage container I turned upside down to set the monitor on. I like it being more at eye level than looking down. So that will work for now till I can find something better. That should give me plenty of room, desk surface space to be able to do my laptop. I cleared all the binders and put them on the bookshelf. I cleared this. I cleaned that out a little bit. Still not sure what the baskets are going to be. I know my husband brings stuff in all the time, so I need to label this so he knows that is Ed, so he can put whatever he wants in there. That's kind of my basket of things. If I'm not sure where to put it yet, or I don't want to file it, I can stick it in there. But so far I'm liking what I've done. And I stuck my bill binder down here so it's easy to pull out when I need it. And if it needs to live up there, it's no big deal. So I like this a whole lot better. So now that I got this clear, oh, and I don't know if I said this in my last office one, I've been using these off and on. They're Pledge multi-surface wipes. They clean the screen wonderfully, and they clean the dust up. When I'm on my laptop, it cleans the dust off of it and off of the keyboard where dust accumulates. And when I'm in here working, I take a few minutes and just wipe everything clean, and it don't take but a few seconds. And they live right here in the top of my drawer. It's no big deal to move it to get in my drawer. So those worked really, really well. And I think I bought those on a clearance. Now that I've gotten this all straight, I'm not bringing my laptop in here yet. But this is where I want it to live. Now we're going to work on my drawers. Now the first drawer, let me move this out of the way. My first drawer is cords. All I did was take, hold on, this is white duct tape. That's all it is white duct tape. And I wrote with permanent marker on it. You could use dry erase if it's something that you're going to be labeling a lot of. And I stuck them right on the drawers, and then I labeled them. So this says cords. It's kind of coming off because they've been in there for a while. But this is where I keep all my cords. I am not worried about, I've got a couple of other extra things in here, but I'm not worried about, oh, that doesn't go in there. You know, they're kind of put together, kind of, but when I need a cord, I can come in here. It's no big deal. So that's a chaotic mess, but I don't know how else to organize these. To me, just being in here, knowing where they are when we need them. I also have an extra remote for our satellite. I wasn't supposed to get it, but they left it. And so now I have an extra remote in case I need it. So I'm going to just keep that handy in case we ever need it replaced. Because they're expensive if you go through. This is sunglasses and little notepads. This is a chaotic mess. So let me go through here, see what I can throw away, and because this is not what it says it is. So let me go through this. Right here are cards my husband collects that he gets from, I forgot where he says he gets them. I'm not sure. These are some of the extras. I was going through them at one time, and then I just started keeping them in a bag. I need to get him a book that will hold business cards, or I have binders. I need like pages that will go in a binder to be able to put all these cards in. So I've been saving them in a This is a little plastic bag. I just kind of put it in the front so my husband knows they're in here. You know, where it's kind of, where you can kind of see it on the front right here so he knows what it is. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one alone because that's kind of ad stuff. And then I use the box to put the biggest stuff in. And then I've got the little one up here. You know, I really don't know how to do this, so it's not confusing for him because he can put his hands on stuff. That basket's a little too small. If I can find something smaller, I'll change it out later. But I'm going to leave it for now. And then that one will be empty. And then the next one's broken. I don't even use it. This was all stuff that goes in a different spot or doesn't belong here. Isn't that weird? So that's not bad. And I found some money. So this is my finished desk. I think that looks a whole lot better than it did before. And I think these look and are organized a little bit better. And I've got an extra one for whatever. So I think that's good. And I'm done. I hope y'all can see this. I hope it ain't got too dark in here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what y'all are purging. Let me know what y'all are decluttering. I'd love to know. Y'all come back now. Y'all hear?